Stitching are whole interlock stitching, in which you will get like this kind of stitching. Look at the beautiful stitching. You will get this kind of interlock, and this is mill print cotton, and this is original 40-60 cotton, so you wouldn't get any complaint about the color or anything, and the rate is only Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So today I have presenting you a very new variety. Look at this variety. What beautiful variety is this? So this is a 3-piece variety. We regularly sell this kind of variety. This is the regular variety from the last 2 years. And if I talk about this variety, then this is pure cotton 3-piece. But very new thing about this variety is the rate, because the rate has been reduced of this variety from 350 to only 300 rupees. Look at this variety, available in both U-neck and V-neck, in which you will get this kind of proper kurti with this kind of U-neck work with this kind of lace inside. And here the strip you have seen, it is the design of the pant. So in this you will get this kind of pant which designs is on the neck. Look at this beautiful pant, available in 4 sizes, M to XXL. So if you have shop or boutique and you want to sell this kind of variety, then this is the best variety. And one more thing about this is, in the pant you will get Miani. Look at this Miani. So it is very comfortable for the customer who bought this variety from you. And this is the dupatta. Look at this. This is pure Malmal dupatta. Look at the size and the length. It is original length, my friend. Yes, DK Textile anywhere sells the original quality, original thing. Look at this beautiful thing. And this is 2.5 meter original length dupatta with the print of both these, in which you will get the print of this pant also and this kurti also. So look at these are some designs. We have 100 plus designs in this variety. And also the stitching are whole interlock stitching, in which you will get like this kind of stitching. Look at the beautiful stitching. You will get this kind of interlock, and this is mill print cotton, and this is original 40-60 cotton, so you wouldn't get any complaint about the color or anything, and the rate is only 300. If you also want to sell this kind of variety in double or triple margin, then sell this kind of beautiful variety. Look at the beautiful color. I will show you one V-neck piece also. Look at this. Here the design is V-neck, but overall design you will get is this kind of U-neck, because generally customer thinks that this is a pure V-neck and the deep neck design, but no, this is not the deep neck design. This is this kind of U-neck you will get in this kind of overall V-neck pattern. And this is also a 3-piece variety. And look at the combo. If you want to purchase these kind of varieties in wholesale, then our shop is located at only 1 kilometer distance from the Surat railway station. Whenever you like, you will visit also, or you can get this kind of many more varieties from the home also. COD is also available. And some of our customers who are watching from outside of India, then yes, my friend, you will get the benefit of this kind of variety from outside of India also. All over world delivery is available for DK Textile, because we deal in exports varieties also. Our range start from rupees 90 only. So whenever you think of purchasing this kind of variety, think about DK Textile, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.